string at equilibrium. Let me write it. So there's an equilibrium. So now what are the forces? mg. This will be QE. So TE sine alpha should balance vertical component of tension, should balance the weight mg. The should balance the electrostatic force. TE sine alpha will balance electrostatic force. TE cos alpha should balance the weight. Dividing these two, tan alpha equal to QE by mg. Okay, this is an angle made by the string with vertical at equilibrium. All these are at equilibrium, no? But what was our question? Our question was asked to find out what? The time period of oscillation. About what point the bob will oscillate. In fact, the bob is going to oscillate. I'll bring the bob. It's going to SHM. It's going to execute SHM about this mean position. No, not here. It not oscillate here, because what is the mean position? Because of horizontal electrostatic field, this is the mean position. About this point, it is going to execute SHM. It's asking now to get this time period. What is that alpha is what we have calculated. Able to understand what I need to say. Is asking now if it's slightly displaced and released, it's going to execute SHM. This time period of oscillations are to be determined. I'll give like this. It'll be easy for you. It's going to execute SHM about this is the mean position. So many things. And this is what? The mean position. How to find out the time period? If you go back to SHM, you might have studied. Time period is given by 2 pi ml by TE. What is TE? Tension in the string at equilibrium position. So squaring and adding these two, TE sine alpha whole square so this will become TE square is equal to so that time period is given by okay, this has to be in the numerator, no? ml by fine. So this will be the time period of oscillations of the pendulum.